5 divided by 5 divided by 5 times 5. To solve this equation, we have to talk about the order of operations, PEMDAS. Now, PEMDAS tells us that we first work on our parentheses, then the exponents, then multiplication and division, and adding and subtracting. This equation only has multiplication and division. They share equal priority, but that does not mean you can do whichever one first that you want. Since they share priority, we have to start on the left side and go to the right side. So we have to start here with 5 divided by 5, then this division piece here, and then this multiplication. And that will give us the correct answer. So we'll start here with 5 divided by 5, which gives us 1. Then we're going to divide that by 5, then we'll multiply by 5. 1 divided by 5 is going to give us 1 over 5, 1/5. Then we'll multiply that by 5. When we multiply fractions, we're just going to multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. When you have just a whole number here, like 5, the fraction form is just to put it over top of a 1, 5 over 1. So 1 times 5 gives us 5. 5 times 1 gives us 5. And 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So the answer to our equation is 1. Check out those links below. I have a math kit ready for you to click on. It'll be delivered straight to your door, and you can solve these problems right along with me.